Welcome to another episode of the Automation Lab. We are your hosts, MB
and Grace. We brought you an episode on cloud computing last week that actually helped our service engineer from having to travel all the way to support his customer. This week, we'll be bringing you an eye-opening episode on vision. Literally eye-opening.
Well, did you know that we have vision incorporated in our TwinCAT as well? So TwinCAT vision includes the processes crucial for inspection machines, with functions such as object detection, recognition, and measurement of the positions and the movements of parts, as well as code reading for parts such as QR codes, barcodes, and data matrices. Early manufacturing machines, while having greatly increased process efficiency while reducing the need for manual labor, still lacked the visual element to check for manufacturing defects and production logging. As a result, a human operator had to continue monitoring the machine in person. As you can imagine, even the best operator would struggle with this. In addition, simply eyeballing the manufacturing process does not provide the often sub-millimeter accuracy needed for increasingly advanced production, such as semiconductor manufacturing. These inadequacies in manual vision necessitated a new branch of automation, machine vision. With machine vision, inspection of product defects and logging can be automated, and changes can be made to process faster than the human element ever could. Measurements of sub-pixel accuracy can also be made for objects in the camera's view. Production logging is also possible through functionalities for barcode and QR code detection and reading. But now let's pass on to our colleague Grace, who will share with you more about TwinCAT vision.
Hi once again. Andy has shown you the most outdated and traditional way monitoring has been done in the past, which is most unlikely to be used now. The standard classic approach that we have is that vision application is executed in non-real time, hence there is no deterministic reaction time. TwinCAT vision is completely integrated into the software in our automation portfolio, from the calibration of camera to the programming in the PLC. We also offer a big library with PLC algorithms, and programmers can just use the same software used for PLC, I/O, motion, and HMI control. It is a solution where you can have QR codes, barcodes to check and track the produce or do certain actions based on the QR codes. Using Gigabit E Ethernet cameras, which is also known as Gig E, with our TwinCAT vision, you can have vision application executed in real time without extra communication. Hence, there are no delays and no latency. What's more, we also do not require the frame grabbers, which makes it suitable for PC-based control. What we are currently offering includes 2D matching, code reading, and metrology. There are solutions that we can offer for object recognition, position and orientation checking, measurement, as well as code reading. Such functions can be used from access control to quality management. This on-the-fly measures geometrical shapes, size, and whether batch dates match the QR codes. TwinCAT HMI is commonly used alongside with vision, where you can modify the HMI to view camera images. We also have an example from Industrial Transformation Asia Pacific last year.
Here we see a system that shows the deep integration of the Beckhoff components. So we are running here one PC, and this PC is controlling the XCS system with the movers, and this PC is also controlling the vision here. We have a camera here dedicating the QR code on the movers, taking a picture and giving us the result here in TwinCAT. This gives us a really big flexibility inside the PLC, and we can handle different products directly with the help of TwinCAT vision inside the PLC.
Well, that's all the time we have for this week. We hope that you've learned a lot about TwinCAT vision and machine vision in general.
And just like that, we're almost coming to an end of this Automation Lab series. I really hope that you guys have learned insightful information from us every week. Our crew and I have really enjoyed ourselves filming this series. Now, if you really like this series and hope to hear more from us again, please remember to like and comment in the chat box below, or email us at sales@beckhoff.com.sg. You can even email us just to say hi. You can also reach us at 6697-6226.
And always, remember wearing masks.
Bye-bye!